Hello everyone, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas here with the trade of the day, and there's no doubt about it, it is HAIN, and that came from our AI. You can see exactly where the alert was at 38 on this candle here. This is actually the opening 15-minute candle, okay? And there it is at 38.54, and this is still in play. I mean, look at this move down. Straight down on the 15-minute chart. No giant green candles, to whip you out of the trade. There's your stop up here. It's all laid out for you. Just an awesome trade. And the reason this is going down, it's not in theory an earnings play, but it may as well be because they came out and said, we don't think we're going to be about 1 to 3% below last year. So they're warning investors that, not to expect too much. They don't actually release earnings until I think sometime in March, but they decided just to do this little pre-release. Again, it's not an official earnings release, but they're just warning, and boy, that really took effect. So this is no question about it. This is the trade of the day from the AI. 38.54, and it still could be in play. When I looked at the weekly and the monthly chart, there was maybe some support around 30. So even tomorrow, we'll have to see. This could be in play tomorrow. So I want to get back into the trading room. The MLK, Martin Luther King, is promo code is still alive. It is still up and running. I don't know for how much longer. Maybe tonight, 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time, but you can still get 20% off using MLK20, 20% off the first month only, or the entire year of a Trade Idea subscription. I'll open the room tomorrow at 8 o'clock Eastern Time. Hope to see you then. Bye-bye.